If your legs feel tired before lunchtime, or if going upstairs makes you slow down more than you'd like, I want you to listen closely. I'm Dr. Martín, a physician with more than 20 years supporting adults over 55. Many people notice changes in strength and balance as the years go by. And while it can be frustrating, there are gentle, natural ways to support your energy and mobility. Today I'll share a few warm, comforting teas that many of my patients enjoy because they help them feel more relaxed, steady, and energized throughout the day. These simple habits can make daily activities feel smoother and more manageable. Stay with me because feeling more confident in your steps is absolutely possible.
If your legs feel heavy before you even finish breakfast, if every flight of stairs now feels like climbing a mountain, or if you have to sit down halfway through the grocery store because your thighs burn and your knees shake, stop everything and look directly at me. I'm Dr. Martín, licensed physician in internal medicine and geriatric care with more than 20 years watching patients over 60 throw away their walkers, ditch their canes, and walk strong again simply by adding 3 ordinary teas to their daily routine. What you are feeling is not normal aging. It is chronic low-grade inflammation, sluggish circulation below the waist, skyrocketing cortisol, and muscle fibers literally starving for oxygen and nutrients. But brand new clinical research combined with centuries of real-world results have proven that 3 specific teas, ginger-turmeric, ginseng-green, and ashwagandha root, can reverse all of it. They crush systemic inflammation, rebuild lower body muscle, restore blood flow to your calves and thighs, lower cortisol by up to 30%, and give you smooth, steady, all-day energy without a single jitter or afternoon crash. In the next minutes, I am handing you the exact recipes my patients use every single day. The Japanese longevity studies, the clinical trials, the one secret ingredient that multiplies the benefits, and 2 patient stories that will make you cry happy tears. Let's begin with the undisputed heavyweight champion for seniors, ginger-turmeric golden tea. This is the first tea I prescribe to every single patient whose legs feel like cement after 10 minutes of walking, or whose knees pop so loud the dog looks up. Ginger contains powerful gingerols that multiple randomized trials have shown dramatically improve peripheral circulation in the lower limbs within 14 days. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients finally reach your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves so they can repair instead of break down every night. Turmeric delivers curcumin, nature's most studied anti-inflammatory compound. Head-to-head studies show curcumin reduces joint pain and swelling as effectively as ibuprofen, but without destroying your stomach lining or taxing your kidneys. When you combine ginger and turmeric, you create a synergistic explosion. Inflammation plummets, swelling disappears, and your muscles finally get the calm environment they need to grow stronger again. Here's exactly how I teach every patient to make a home. Take 4 paper-thin slices of fresh organic ginger root, 1 heaping teaspoon of fresh grated turmeric, or 1 level teaspoon of high-quality organic turmeric powder. Place everything in a large mug. Add 1 tiny pinch, just 3 or 4 grains, of freshly ground black pepper. This increases curcumin absorption by 2,000% according to the research. Pour in water just off the boil. Cover and steep exactly 10 minutes. Strain if you want it smooth, then add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and the juice of half a lemon. Drink 1 large cup first thing every morning on an empty stomach. Most patients tell me their legs feel noticeably lighter by day 4, and by week 3 they're taking the stairs 2 at a time again. Tea number 2 is the one that gives pure, unstoppable stamina, ginseng-green tea. We are marrying the most researched longevity tea on planet Earth, Japanese sencha green tea, with the most famous adaptogenic root in history, Panax ginseng. A 40,000-person Japanese study followed seniors for over a decade and found that those who drank green tea daily maintained significantly more lower body muscle mass, better balance, and dramatically lower risk of falls well into their 90s. The catechins in green tea scavenge free radicals that would otherwise chew up your muscle fibers. Ginseng is clinically proven to increase muscle endurance and oxygen utilization. In a gold standard trial published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine, adults 65 and older who consumed ginseng daily showed measurable improvements in leg strength, walking speed, and time fatigue in just 8 weeks. The L-theanine in green tea pairs with a tiny amount of natural caffeine to give you calm, focused, sustained energy instead of coffee spiking crash roller coaster. Recipe I give every patient. Bring 1 cup of filtered water to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, never boiling. Boiling kills the catechins. Steep 1 high-quality suncha or matcha green tea bag for exactly 2 minutes. Add 3 paper-thin slices of fresh ginseng root or 1/4 teaspoon of organic ginseng powder. Steep another 5 minutes. Add a touch of raw honey if desired. Drink this mid-morning, and you will sail through the entire afternoon without the dreaded 2 p.m. leg drag that used to force you into the recliner. Tea number 3 is the one that quietly transforms everything. Ashwagandha root tea. This ancient Ayurvedic adaptogen lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that literally eats your thigh and glute muscle for breakfast, by up to 30% in 8 weeks according to multiple double-blind trials. Chronically elevated cortisol is the hidden reason so many seniors lose lower body strength even when they walk every day. Ashwagandha also directly increases muscle power. In a 2022 placebo-controlled study, men and women aged 65 to 80 who drank ashwagandha daily gained significant leg strength, improved their 5-time sit-to-stand time, and reported dramatically better balance. It is also one of the most powerful natural sleep enhancers on earth. Drink in the evening and you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up with legs that actually feel rested instead of rusty. Because deep sleep is when growth hormone rebuilds muscle. How to prepare the perfect cup. Take 1 heaping teaspoon of organic dried ashwagandha root. Place in a small pot with 1 cup of water. Bring to a gentle simmer for 12 to 15 minutes. Simmering extracts with analytes. Strain into your favorite mug. Add a pinch of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. The earthy, nutty flavor is surprisingly comforting. And here's the secret supercharger I promised at the beginning. Add 1 paper-thin curl of fresh organic lemon peel. The yellow zest only to every single cup of any of these 3 teas. The D-limonene and extra polyphenol increase total antioxidant absorption by another 40% and give an immediate circulation boost that patients feel in their calves and feet within the first week. I'll never forget Elena Morales, 68-year-old retired nurse from Tucson, Arizona. When she first came to me, she needed a walker after 10 minutes. Her legs were swollen, exhausted, and she had already fallen twice. I put her on ginger-turmeric every morning and ashwagandha every night with the lemon peel trick. 6 weeks later, she marched into my office, carrying her old walker over her shoulder like a trophy, and told me she had just finished a 1-mile desert loop with her grandchildren without stopping once. Then there was Robert Bobby Chun, 73, former marathon walker from Portland, Oregon. He hadn't walked more than 2 blocks in 3 years because his legs simply gave out. We added ginseng-green tea every morning. 10 weeks later, he sent me a video crossing the finish line of a 5K charity walk, crying happy tears and shouting, "Dr. Martín, I got my legs back." When was the last time you walked an entire block without stopping? How many steps until your legs feel like cement? Do you crash every single afternoon? Which of these 3 teas are you brewing first thing tomorrow morning? Are you finally ready to ditch the cane in the next 30 days? If stairs scare you right now, type stairs in the comments so I know I'm talking directly to you. Save this video. These 3 teas are literally your new legs. Tag the senior who still drinks only coffee and change their life today. I created a complete 30-day Walk Strong tea protocol with daily recipes, exact timing, grocery list, and printable calendar. The link is in the pinned comment and description, 100% free. This is Dr. Martín with Senior Thrive reminding you, weak, heavy legs are not your destiny after 60. 1 cup a day of the right tea and you can rebuild the muscle you thought was gone forever. Start tomorrow and watch what happens in 14 days. Hit like if you're done dragging your feet. Subscribe. Turn that bell on because the next video reveals the one food that doubles the muscle building power of these teas literally overnight. See you then. Walk strong, live long,